Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on Blip HR. To do so, firstly you need to download the application Blip. Open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, type in Blip. As the search result, you can see the Blip app at the first option, click on it and over here click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. Once it has been downloaded, click on the open button over here and it will take you to this interface. Over here it says login with Bright HR. Click on it. It will take you to this login portal. Over here enter the email address of your account. Once you do that, enter the password of your account. To confirm what you typed, you can click over here on the eye icon and once you do that, click on login button. You will be logged into your account. Also, you guys can log in into your account using Apple, Facebook, Google or Microsoft account by clicking on these respective buttons over here. So this is how you can log in into your account using Blip application. This much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.